Hi, welcome to another episode of FabLab. My name is Joru, the Research Associate and the 3D 2D designer of LIKHA FabLab at Batangas State University. Today, I'll be teaching you the basics on how to 3D print using the Ultimaker 3 Extended. First, we need a 3D model to print. Now there are different kinds of softwares for 3D modeling like Autodesk Maya, SketchUp, Blender, SolidWorks, ZBrush and more. I'll be using SketchUp today as I made a very simple design and will be used to export the 3D model into STL or OBJ file for demonstration purpose. Click on File, Export 3D Models, select which folder, then type on your file name. After that, we need to open a slicer software that will let us convert the 3D model into G-code. I'll be using Cura, the slicer software of Ultimaker. Cura is a great slicer. It has a user-friendly interface and is compatible with a massive list of 3D printers. You can drag your STL file to the Cura's workspace or click on File, Open File, and choose the STL or OBJ file that you want to print. You can select the 3D design by clicking the left button of your mouse to the 3D model. You can control the 3D model by the following buttons like Move, Scale, or Rotate. By clicking this button, you can select the printer that you'll use or just go to Settings, Printer, select the printer, or add a printer if you're using a different brand such as Anycubic or Prusa. We can now select our materials. Click this drop down button or go to the settings, select which extruder you're using, click on materials, and then select which material you're using for the project. Next step is to set up the print settings. This will allow us to control how fast or how fine the print would be. These controls are very intimidating. This drop down button lets you adjust the layer height by choosing the fast to extra fine. Or adjust it manually by clicking on quality. Click on Infill and then adjust your preferred infill density and infill pattern. Click on plate adhesion, then select your preferred build plate adhesion type. This is important because while the build plate's temperature rises up, it might warp your project or move from the build plate. Click on Slice. This allows you to view the time estimated and the filaments to be used in printing. You can also check the outcome of the printing by clicking Preview. Insert your USB to your computer and click Save. Remove the USB from your PC and insert it on your Ultimaker. Select Print. Select the file that you want to print, then sit down, relax, and wait. And that's it. Thank you for watching.